Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Imagine building a powerful AI Reddit marketing agent without spending a single dollar. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, step by step, for 100% free. By the end, you will have a workflow that you can monitor subreddits, filter posts, and automatically comment using AI. Let's dive in. So first, let's start with a manual click trigger. So you can change this to any other triggers, okay? So second, we need to create a Reddit node to fetch posts for any subreddit. So first step, we need to set up the credentials from Reddit. So if you see this redirect URL, so just copy that URL from your workflow, and then we go to Reddit and create a new app. So select script as the app type for now. So this is the easiest one for local setup. And then fill in the redirect URL with the one you copied from the workflow. So once you create the app, you will see the client ID and the secret. So just copy the client and the secret ID into your workflow and sign in with your Reddit. So once you connect, then you are ready to pull posts. So then we need to configure the get many post node. So right now for testing, we will just limit it to 10 posts and we will use the test subreddit for now. So you can see we already have 10 posts pulled from Reddit. So the next thing we're gonna do is like we need to filter posts by keywords relevant to your product promotion. So for example, we'll use Wednesday as a keyword to filter the result that we get from the test subreddit. Okay, so next, so this is the heart of the system, so generating AI replies. So for a free solution, we will need to use a local model. So the first step, we need to install the Ollama, so which is a very easy and convenient to set up for a local model. So you just download that from the website. Once the Ollama is installed in your local machine, run Ollama list to see all the installed models in your local. If you don't have any model installed, so you will run the Ollama pull and model names to pull the model before you start the AI agent. Okay, so next is the base URL. So this URL can be different in your local machine. So based on your setup. So in my case, I host my workflow in the Docker image, and then my Ollama is not in the Docker. So I'll have to use the Docker URL. Once you set this up, now your workflow can talk to the AI model locally. So next, you need to prepare a prompt for the AI to generate a reply based on the post content. I have already generated a prompt for that, so let's copy that into the text box. So let's execute and see the result. You can see the AI already generate a comment for you, and it returns the post ID along with the comment. Okay, so next step, we will need another Reddit node. So this node is basically to post the comment to the post. So the input is the post ID, and the AI generates the comment text. So those two attributes are coming from the previous AI agent node. So we can directly reference those attributes from the output. So once it's set up, just click execute. So okay, you can see we already submit our comments to the posts. So these are some information returned by the Reddit APIs. Is basically some information about the posts, the comments, all the stuff. Okay, you can see this is the comment we just post. Okay, next, actually we want to save the post IDs and comment IDs for future in case we want to follow up with those comments, right? So the first we need a Google Sheet node. So let's edit that, and as the previous node, the first step is to create the credentials. So you will go to the Google Cloud API Manager, create a credential, auth credentials. Once your credentials are created, you will find the client ID and secrets. Just copy those. Just copy those to the credential form and click the sign in with Google and grant all the necessary permissions to your workflows. And then yeah, so that's it. So right now we can append our data to the Google Sheets. Okay, so if you're seeing this arrow, so most likely you haven't enabled the Google Drive API. So just copy this link and go to Google Cloud and enable the Google Drive API. And then you should be able to access all the sheets and documents from the workflow. So before we actually save the data to our Google Sheets, so we actually want to clean, reformat the data from the Reddit API response. So let's add an edit node. So in the edit node, we want to extract the specific IDs. Okay, and then go back to the Google Sheets and execute that. So now the data has been written to the Google Sheets. Okay, so now you have a fully automatically zero cost Reddit market agent running locally. So in the next video, we will take this further. AI will automatically follow up on previous comments and keep the conversation going. Don't miss it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you will be notified. See you next time. Bye.